Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make an account in Nike. It'll be an easy process, so hang on till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. To make a Nike account, you can make it from a Nike app or Nike website. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Nike account from website. First of all, tap open your web browser. Then you'll be in the home page of your web browser. Then in the search bar, you have to write Nike.com. Then tap go. After that, you will be in a Nike homepage interface, something like this. Then you can see a 3-line menu on the right upper corner of your web page. You have to tap on that hamburger icon. After tapping, you have to scroll down until you see join us. Then you have to tap on join us. After tapping, you can see a page in which there is Nike membership written and become a member written. Below become a member, there is join us. You have to tap on that. After tapping, Nike will ask for your email. After typing your email, you have to tap on continue. It might take a while to load. After it's loaded, you will be in a page something like this. Then they will send a code to your Gmail. You have to open your Gmail and look for the message that Nike has sent you. Then you can see your code which your Nike has sent you, and you have to type the same code that Nike has sent you to the code written in your page. After typing that, Nike will ask for your name. You have to give them your name, surname. Then you can choose a reliable password. After this, you have to choose your shopping preference. You have to also write your date of birth. And after choosing your date of birth, you have to tap on the 2-box icon beside sign up for emails and privacy policy. Then you have to tap on create account. After this, it might take a while and your account will be created within few seconds. To check if your account has been created or not, you can tap the 3-layer hamburger icon again, and after that you can see your account has been created and your name is written besides hi. So that was it for the video guys. I hope the video is informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.